Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have studied or you have already solved the practice set 27 and 28. Now, let's recall some properties of or rules of indices. If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers, then a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If base is same and operation is multiplication, then we have to add the index of the given indices form of number. If it is division, the operation is division, then we have to subtract the indices of the given index form of a number m minus n when m is greater than n. Third, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m. This condition follows when n is greater than m and a is not equal to 0. Fourth property or the fourth rule is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Means if in the index form of a number the index is 0 for any rational number, then its value is 1. Suppose the value of index is negative, then you can convert it into positive form by taking its reciprocal. So a raised to negative m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. If the number is in rational form, that is a upon b, numerator and denominator form, and negative index is there, then we have to just interchange the numerator and denominator and you will get b upon a raised to m. Check the change in this form. Seventh rule is if base is different but index is same and operation is multiplication, then we can distribute this index to both of the bases. That is, a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Eighth property is a raised to m raised to n. If there is two indices, then you can multiply them, a raised to m into n. Got it? Now let's see the examples. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This is the index of the product of the two numbers. Now base is same, operation is multiplication, then you have to just add the indices like this. Getting it? Now next example. For division, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4 is equal to a raised to 6 upon a raised to 4. If you simplify it, write in multiplication form and then cutting it out, you will get a raised to 2, which is same as a raised to 6 minus 4, that is equal to a raised to 2. Same way, if p raised to 5 divided by p raised to 7 is equal to p raised to 5 upon p raised to 7. Same way, if you simplify it, you can write in multiplication form. If you cut the p's from numerator and denominator, you will get extra p in numerator, and that is 1 upon p square, which is same as 1 upon p raised to 7 minus 5.